After almost 7 years off, a major cycling event is set to return this coming August with a bigger, more challenging and exciting version of Larga Pilipinas. Jamaica Bayaca has the details.
We're just doing this all for the love of cycling. Kasi kung hindi ho namin gagawin ito, no? Kung hindi ho namin ito i-encourage yung mas marami pong taong sumuporta, hindi ho natin maipakikita yung puwersa ho talaga ng cycling. So, kung may mga papasok po mga sponsors, all the more na mas maganda po for us. Sana po ang headline ninyo bukas, mga media man, Larga Pilipinas, tuloy na, sponsor, pasok na.
Thousands of cyclists will gather again in the country for the return of one of the most anticipated cycling events of the year, the 2025 Larga Pilipinas, scheduled to start in Cabanatuan City on August 2 and will end in Baguio City on August 7. They aim to continue the good momentum recorded in the last edition of the Larga Pilipinas and hope to exceed the 10,000 Filipino cyclists who participated in 2018. And approximately 10 professional cycling groups are expected to participate in the 809-kilometer cycling race, including Go for Gold, Standard Insurance, Excellent Noodles, the Reina Orion Summit, and Tour of Luzon champion MPT Drive Hub. At the press conference and official launch of the said tournaments held in collaboration with Phil Cycling, the cycling routes were unveiled where 4 of the 6 stages will serve as challenges due to the weather condition of the area.
Nakakatuwa pong isipin ng mga kaibigan na from being an underrated sport, cycling is now back to where it should be. And thank you sa Phil Cycling, thank you sa Tour of Luzon, dahil they were able to pounce on the momentum that we are also riding on now. So, sana lang po ma-realize ko ng mga kababayan natin that cycling is indeed an exciting sport. Hindi lang ko ito dadaan sa harap ninyo. May mga kanya-kanyang techniques na ginagawa po yung mga siklista. And just by the mere stamina na ipinakikita po nila, talagang masasabi natin na they're indeed one of a kind. So sana it's about time that we appreciate our cyclists, we appreciate the sport, and tayo po mga nasa media, mabigyan din ho natin ito ng chance na mas maihatid pa sa mas maraming mga followers.
Aside from the curves and routes that cyclists will be passing, organizers share that one of the challenges that participants must consider is encountering the rainy weather during the competition.
Part ng challenge yung weather condition, part din ng hazard yung mga condition sa kalsada na minsan may ulan, minsan wala. Pero we hope na bigyan tayo ng cycling gods magandang panahon sa August. Pero whatever it is, ready po yung mga riders natin, yung mga cyclists natin, iskin na anong kondisyon, sanay sila.
Dagdag ko lang, alam niyo, since nung sinimulan namin i-plano itong Larga Pilipinas, nila Ma'am Sunshine, tsaka nila Atty. Pro and Ma'am Badet, nananalangin na ho kami agad kasi very critical po kasi yung August, dun ho yung mga bagyo natin. Pero, ang maganda po, at sana po Panginoon, ay magtuloy-tuloy kasi po, ngayon pa lang bumubuhos na po yung ulan. So by that time, hopefully, naawa ng Diyos, gaya nung ginawa ko namin noong 2018, nagdasal po kami ng todo, mas matindi ho yun. Dahil September and October yun, yun ho talaga yung mga bagyo. So hopefully, maubos na ho yung mga ulan ngayon, yung mga kargada po ng mga ulap. By that time, ay medyo maganda ho yung magiging klima natin. Kasi alam niyo naman ho dun sa Cordillera, sa Northern Alps, tuwing hapon ho talaga umuulan doon. Kaya ho, bibilisan ho namin itong karanasan.
Meron namang protocol, extreme weather protocol si UCI na sinusunod ng lahat ng mga officials in a race. So we will decide if we need to push or continue the race or stop. And then, depende na lang sa panel kung ano yung magiging resulta. If we were able to obtain a significant parang result dun sa stage na yon, then we will see what would happen. But definitely, there's an extreme weather protocol na sinusunod ng lahat ng officials in cycling.
This big cycling event is part of Larga Pilipinas' goals in becoming a PBA and MPBL version of cycling. Jamaica Bayaca from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.